Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this really awesome 50-watt floodlight by a company called Olafus. And yes, you heard that correctly, 50 watts RGBCW. What does that mean? That's a bunch of letters. That means that you can make any color of the rainbow as well as any tone of white, from warm white to cool white, anywhere in between, all with this one floodlight. And it's 50 watts, and it's a Wi-Fi floodlight, and it's a smart floodlight, which means you can control it with your phone as well as controlling it with any Echo devices or Google Home devices. Really excellent product by Olafus. Again, RGB, all those LEDs in there give you really bright and lots of colors. So you probably want to see it in action. So let's jump over to video. I'm going to demonstrate setting it up real quick, as well as show you just some video of using it in my house, where you can kind of see it against the wall, as well as outside of the house, using it as a floodlight for landscape lighting. So let's check out those videos. So you're going to pair this the same way you do pretty much any smart light or most of the generic smart lights. Basically, you download and install the Smart Life app if you don't already have it. I have tons of stuff already in here. And then you click the little plus sign, and then you select what this is, which this is a light source. And then it's going to tell you to make it blink. Now remember, to do that on this, you just plug it in, unplug it, plug it in, unplug it, plug it in. And if all goes well, then it should start flashing. And it is flashing. So then you follow the instructions in the app. It says confirm light blinks rapidly. So you confirm that, and then you go through the process to set that up in the app. And that's how you connect it to your Wi-Fi. So here we are inside the Alexa Echo app. And once you're in the app, once you have the Smart Life app connected, you just connect the Smart Life skill, and then it'll import any devices you have. And you can see now I can control these two devices. I could go into that Smart Life app, but I like doing stuff through the Alexa app just because it has everything. And I'm going to warn you, I'm going to say that name a few times. So if you have one of those devices near you, you might want to put the mic on mute so I don't trigger it if you're watching this on speakers or something. But you can see now I can just turn them on. And I put them in a group so I can turn them on simultaneously. Or I can control them individually. So I can turn that one off. And then I can go to the other one. And I can change the brightness. So you can go, you can see it just got brighter, and go all the way down. Fully controllable. Custom color, so you've got warm white, or you've got sort of in the middle white, or you've got cool white. And then you've got, you know, basically all the colors of the rainbow. There's turquoise, there's purple, pink. Pink is hard to do with light, but it's kind of a washed out red. Orange. And my walls are not pure white, so red. So you got all these different colors you can do. Now inside of the Smart Life app, you can fine-tune control the colors a little bit more, but through Alexa, these are your colors. These are the options you have. And you can also control them using your voice. So I'm going to demonstrate that, and I'm going to use my Echo device. So Echo, turn on color wall. And you see now they are both on. Echo, set color wall to turquoise. So now they're both turquoise. Echo, set color wash 2 to red. Now you can see one of them stayed turquoise, one of them, so you can control the group or each one individually using your voice or in the app once you connect them to the Alexa app. Really easy to do once you get it set up. Turn on color wall.
Okay.
And there you can see the landscape lighting and the difference there. So right here you see the front of my house, and you can see it is washed in color. Those are those two LED floodlights, and they are both set on red. I'm going to use Alexa to change colors. You can see that in action as well as see what it does. Right now they're at 100%. Set the color wall to 50%. Alexa, set color wall to blue.
Okay.
Now you can see my entire house is blue. Set color wall to warm white.
Okay.
Now that's traditional landscape lighting, and of course I have these lights far back, but you could push them closer in if you didn't want to have the whole thing bright. Alexa, set color wall to cool white.
Okay.
And if you prefer the cool white, you can get the cool white. Hopefully that helicopter overhead isn't driving you crazy, but anyway, you can see these are really bright lights. Alexa, set color wall to 100%.
Okay.
See, that was just 50%. Now at 100%, it's full on bright. Really lightens up everything. Alexa, set color wall to green.
Okay.
Alexa, set color wash 1 to green.
Okay.
So you can see you could have one green, one red if you wanted to have multiple colors. Set color wash 1 to blue.
Okay.
A little more patriotic with the red and the blue. Set color wash 2 to warm white.
Okay.
If you wanted to mix it up with the white and the blue. Set color wash 2 to 50%.
Okay.
So you can do whatever you want. Alexa, set color wall to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, set color wall to 10%.
Okay.
So you can have as low of light or as bright of light as you want. So you can see, excellent product by Olafus. Again, it is a 2-pack that you get. You get 2 of these in the pack, 50 watts each, connect to Wi-Fi, controllable through the Smart Life app. You can control exactly the color you want, or if you're using it for white, the white tone you want. And then you can also control these with an Echo device, which is really awesome. Once you've got them hooked up to Alexa through the skill, you can just tell your Echo device what you want to set it to, or turn it off or turn it on, all controllable with your voice. So you can use it that way as well. And you get 2 of them, and with 50 watts, of course, they're dimmable, so you can make them the brightness that you want to make them, but going up to 50 watts, that's a really powerful floodlights, and you're getting 2 of them, so you can really do a lot with them. Also, they do have this bracket on the back. I want to make sure I mention that, so you can use that to stand them up if you're sitting them on the ground, as well as use it to attach to a roof line or whatever you need to attach it to. There are screw holes on the back here, so you can use that for mounting. And a nice cord with a standard US plug on there for powering them up. So really excellent floodlights by Olafus. And if you're looking for good either indoor accent lighting or outdoor landscape lighting, and you need power, you need bright, you need a lot of light, then you can't go wrong with these. These are really great, and definitely a product that I would recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.